Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole, and on this channel we talk about all things Operation Christmas Child. I made this gift for a boy who's 2 to 4, and my hope is that when he opens the shoebox, he feels deeply loved and knows that every item was chosen especially for him. And I have this box turned around because I ran out of my nice thick 107 rubber bands. It does smoosh down, so it will fit, but without the rubber bands, it's kind of exploding. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so you can see. And the theme of this shoebox is Tiger and Friends. So I will go ahead and take these out so that you can see the lid design. It features a little tiger in the jungle. It says, Jesus loves you. And on the very top, it's this very cute little plush tiger. I found this at Hobby Lobby. The original price was $12.99, but I got it for $5. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and he can come out of his little pod, I guess it is. It has a little strap. Isn't that sweet? You will be getting this 2-in-1 puzzle cube. I found this at Walmart, and I'm not exactly sure. I guess this is a separate puzzle from this right here. Or maybe they're all one puzzle. I don't know. Anyway, I just thought they were so bright and colorful and perfect for a 2 to 4-year-old. He will be getting this Oshkosh Bagosh shirt. It's a size 4-5, and it has baseball players on there. And I know that does not really go with the theme, but to go with the t-shirt, I have a little baseball for him. It's a little squishy baseball. And here he has his school supplies. And if you have seen my other video where I do a tour of my school supply closet, I made these in that video. So I can link that in the description box if you're interested. We'll be getting a box of crayons, a pair of sunglasses, and these do have the UV protectant on them. He will be getting another little tiger puzzle. Got that from Amazon. He will be getting a Hot Wheels car. And then I have a little safari set for him. And I find these at Five Below, and they have different sets. They have dinosaurs, and I guess this is the safari set. Oops. But it has all these different animals in there. Just so cute. And I love that these are such a good size for shoe boxes. Little gorilla, and then a hippopotamus. Anyway, I thought that would be fun for someone that's 2 to 4, and actually there are so many pieces he could even play with a friend. And then some other play figures that I got. A little car. I found these at an antique store. They were in a bag that everything looked brand new in. So we are not allowed to include used items. So I was very surprised at this antique store to find something that's new. These are very cute and chunky and great for a 2 to 4-year-old. You'll also be getting a washcloth, a set of Hot Wheels toothbrushes, a drawstring bag, a composition book, and I put this little nameplate on there, and if you like this design, you can go to sweetteadaily.com and print it off for your notebooks if you'd like. You will be getting a Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood dress-up figure, and I love these for this age. They're so cute. I think Daniel Tiger is probably my favorite dress-up figure that they have at the Dollar Tree. It's really sweet. We'll be getting a comb. And he will be getting our family photo and our letter to the child. And he's going to be getting a Winnie the Pooh coloring book because Tigger is a tiger. And he's right on the cover there. And then I've also made my terrific tiger coloring book. And this is also available on the website. Just some very simple designs, which is great for this age. All different scenes with a little tiger. Well, friends, I know that was a very fast shoebox. I have family coming into town, so I just wanted to pop in and say hello and share this box with you. And I hope this tiger-themed shoebox gave you some fun ideas for packing for a boy ages 2 to 4. If you enjoy Operation Christmas Child ideas like this, I'd love for you to subscribe and join us for more shoebox inspiration. Together, we can encourage even more people to pack with love and share the hope of Jesus with children all around the world. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.